This is Audible.
Hi, I'm Monica Serino, and I'm a professor of classics at the University of New Mexico. Ever since I was a kid, I've been fascinated by ancient Greece and Rome. The stories of gods and heroes, the epic battles and glorious conquests, the lives of famous A-listers like Alexander the Great, Cleopatra, and Julius Caesar. At school, you remember, our teachers told us how huge a debt modern society owes to the advanced culture and sophisticated world the ancient Greeks and Romans built for themselves. Our system of government, the languages we speak, even the sports and spectacles that entertain us every day. The ancient Greeks and Romans, we were told, were just like us. But I wanted to know more about these predecessors of ours. I wanted the real scoop on their private lives, their consuming passions, their sexual appetites. At university, I learned how to read ancient Greek and Latin, the histories, letters, poems, and plays in their original languages, so that I could delve into the intimate details about what made the ancients blush, yearn, and swoon. What I discovered in my studies was that the ancient Greeks and Romans were not like us, or at least not when it comes to sex, and I'd like to share what I've found with you. In this course, you'll hear stories we can't always tell in a college classroom. Stories that reveal why ancient Greece and Rome are often thought of as hotbeds of debauchery and death. Lecture 1, Sex and the Women of Ancient Greece. It's the epic sex scandal that the ancient Greeks believed launched them all. Helen, Queen of Sparta, the most beautiful woman in the world, left her husband, child, and throne to run away with Paris, the handsome young prince of Troy, whose dazzling good looks were surpassed only by his recklessness and audacity. Helen's flagrant adultery with her gorgeous younger lover triggered the most devastating war known in all antiquity, the Trojan War, which lasted 10 brutal years, annihilated cities, depleted treasuries, and cost thousands of lives, all sacrificed in service to Helen's sexual desires. What kind of woman would do such a thing for love? What did the ancient Greeks really think of passionate women who openly expressed their desires? Helen's tale is the stuff of myth, of course. But in this lecture, we'll try to get at the facts behind the scandalous sex lives of some real historical Greek women who followed in the Spartan queen's shameless footsteps. The war that Helen launched was fought on the northwest coast of Asia Minor, which is modern-day Turkey. And not far from the plain of Troy, just across a narrow strait of the Aegean's wine-dark waters, is the sun-drenched island of Lesbos, famous as the birthplace of the ancient Greek poet Sappho. Sappho achieved rock star status in her lifetime with her songs of sexual yearning for the women she loved. Sappho's passionate love songs to women inspired the modern use of the words sapphic and lesbian to refer to female homoeroticism. But what about in ancient times? Was Sappho a lesbian or not? If we define lesbian as a woman who loves other women, then the answer is yes. But the ancient Greeks did not have a concept of sexual orientation like we have today. Modern people focus on the object of a person's sexual desire to define that person's